Here are 5 plant pairings that are going to make your rock garden look like it was professionally designed. Let's start off with Dianthus cahori, which blooms almost all summer. We're going to pair this up with Ajuga Pink Lightning. Look at that two-tone, it's lovely. Then we're going to combine this dwarf rhododendron impeditum with this candy tuft Iberis snowdrift, a beautiful white-purple combo. Now Lithodora Grace Ward, which carpets and blooms for months at a time, with Sea Thrift or Armeria maritima, which also blooms for several months, heavy in early spring, and then a little bit more throughout the summer. Now we have 2 low liars, the Saxifraga Marto Red, and we're combining it with Phlox subulata or ground phlox, a beautiful rose red pink combo. Next, we're going to show you how beautiful foliage can be. We have Euonymus Moonshadow, and we're going to combine that with Kaluna Firefly, a beautiful copper with some nice golds and greens. So there's 5 choices for you, and we have many more right down here at Amsterdam Garden Center.